Why do we create? People are always exploring, be it your thoughts, your feelings, or your love. We live in the same world, yet we see it differently. Communication brings us closer. As we explore diverse beauty in love and art. Technology makes things happen.
Hey!
It ignites endless possibilities, offering a new way to express and create. Revealing the richness of your inner world.
As we rise with
Discover the extraordinary in the tiniest details. Listen to your heart, feel, describe, and create without hesitation. When tech meets love, artwork is born. Every resin artwork needs resiner, and every resiner has resiners.